In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly apply strike-through in Excel using a keyboard shortcut. Strike-through is a useful feature that crosses out text, often used to indicate that items are completed or to visually mark something as obsolete without removing the text itself. Whether you're managing a to-do list, budget spreadsheets, or just want to highlight changes, using strike-through can help make your document clearer and more organized. We'll begin by navigating to the free Microsoft 365 Online, which houses Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more, all accessible right from your web browser. This is a fantastic resource for those who need access to Microsoft Office tools without having the software installed on their computer. Just search for free Microsoft 365 Online, and it should be the first result. Once you're there, you're going to see a variety of available apps, but for today, our focus remains squarely on Excel. Upon arriving at the Microsoft 365 homepage, the first step is to click on Sign In. This is crucial since accessing Microsoft's online tools requires an account. If you already have a Microsoft account, you're a step ahead, otherwise you'll need to create one. This process is pretty straightforward. You'll just need an email and to set up a password. After you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to type in your email. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. If you've never signed into Microsoft Online Services before, it'll ask you for a bit more information to get your account set up. Following entering your email, the next button you'll be pressing is Next. This will take you through the steps of either entering your password or, if you're new to Microsoft's online services, completing your account setup. This part is pretty self-explanatory. Just follow the prompts on your screen and you'll be signed in and ready to go in no time. Now we're going to jump into the practical portion of this tutorial. For the sake of this tutorial, I've prepared an example file that we'll be using. I've linked it below this video for you to access. It's an Excel file stored on OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service, which integrates seamlessly with Excel Online and other Microsoft 365 apps. This means you can directly work on the file in your browser without the need to download it. Once you open the example file, find a cell with text that you wish to strike through. The beauty here is that you don't need to highlight the specific text within the cell. The strike through will apply to all text within the selected cell. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the keyboard shortcut, simply press ctrl+5 on your keyboard, and voila, the text in your selected cell is now struck through. This shortcut is a quick and easy way to toggle strike-through formatting on and off for any cell in your Excel spreadsheet. Using keyboard shortcuts like this one can significantly speed up your workflow, eliminating the need to navigate through menus for common formatting tasks. Excel is packed with shortcuts like these, aimed at making your work faster and more efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect. Incorporating these shortcuts into your daily use of Excel will soon make them second nature. And there you have it. You've successfully used a keyboard shortcut to apply strike-through formatting in an Excel document using Microsoft's free online Office suite. It's a simple process that can make managing your documents easier and more visually appealing. Keep this tip in your Excel toolbox and it will surely come in handy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Excel is a powerful tool with a lot more to explore and master, so don't hesitate to dive deeper and discover more ways to enhance your productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and guides. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.